Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network with me, Dior Shaari. This is another product also. Actually, I bought a lot of Bath and Body Works product previously, and this is the only time that I had time actually to do this unboxing and also to suggest to you the good product that I bought. I'm not sure whether it's still in the market or not, but let's just do the unboxing and let's look into the pictures and also the description from this is the Philippines. Okay, that one. Oh, okay, sorry, there's nothing here. And that's it. Okay, let's look into the product. Alright, and then behind. Okay, on the side below, and to open it, like that. So just scroll it, then it will go up. Okay. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching from me. And if you like to buy, perhaps if there's a link, I will state it below the video. And thank you very much for watching again. Bye bye.